Afternoon guys. Hello guys, good afternoon guys. So now we are here to change the transmission fluid. Okay, for this Hyundai Accent. This Hyundai Accent CVT transmission. Okay, now I will show you to how to change the transmission fluid. Okay. This is the transmission CVT for the Hyundai Accent. Okay. This is the drain plug. If you see this bolt, this is the drain plug, and this is the failure plug. You put the oil here, you drain the oil here for the drain plug, and you put the oil here from failure plug. Okay, and this transmission is no dipstick. Okay, no dipstick. So we check the level by this bolt. Okay, we have procedure how to check this transmission fluid, how to check the level. Need to start the car and put in the parking, and 50 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. You remove this bolt, and if the fluid coming out, just leave it until the fluid is dripping. If the fluid is dripping, you close the failure plug, the check level plug, and that's all. Okay, now I will drain the fluid here. Okay, fluid for this transmission. So the fluid is not good, and the smell is not good also. Okay, now I already drained, and now I remove this wheel pan bolt. I remove the wheel pan. Okay, mga guys, so this is the wheel pan, and this is the filter, and the valve body, and the sensor or solenoid. Okay, now you may have problem inside because have a metal debris. Okay, okay, but I will try to change the fluid and see. This transmission is have sound and delay. Okay. Fluid, oh. So, apat na dito yung ilalagay natin. Apat na litro. Ayan. Ayan, CVT ito mga idol. CVT. Ayan, ito yung ano niya, patol niya. CVT-8. So, ito mga idol, hindi pa natin ma-check ito ngayon kasi meron ako ipapakita sa inyo. So, ayan mga idol, ito yung dito tayo naglagay, yan, sa pillar plug. So, ito yung fluid niya. CVT. Ayan. So, 4 na litro yung nilagay ko mga idol. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. Okay, so hindi pa natin ito ma-check kasi hindi pa ito under. Kasi wala itong cylinder head. Ayan. Tinanggal ko yung cylinder head dito. Kasi maingay yung valve lifter. Tsaka timing chain. Tsaka yung cylinder head, yung valve. Inanon lang, setting sa machine shop. Okay, yan, puro cylinder lang ito mga idol. Ayan, nilinisan ko na yan. Yan. Okay, so tinakpan ko lang tinakpan ko ng ito. Yan. So tapusin nyo lang yung video mga idol para makita nyo kung paano to isukat, paano tayo mag-check ng level. Mag-check tayo dito mga idol, 50 degree Celsius. So mag-check tayo ng level sa fluid transmission. Okay.